guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deb back with another video, and for today's tutorial it's going to be a look on this fall time makeup cranberry eye look with the new glossy lip. I think it's really cute and I'm super excited about the fall time makeup. So yeah, if you like this look, it's cute, so you need to like it. But anyway, let's just get started. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with the Jelly Pop primer. I've been really liking this primer. I've been using it a lot lately, so yeah, that's great. I'm just going to start by rubbing that all into my skin. And then for foundation, I'm going to be mixing the Nars Sheer Glow in the Fenty Beauty foundation. I usually don't mix my foundations, but this combination turned out to be really nice, so I've been wearing it a lot more lately, and I'm just blending that all in with this NYX brush. It's a 03 brush. I'll put all the brushes in the description. I went ahead and did my concealer. I used the Born This Way concealer in Chai and Fenty Beauty Matchstick and Espresso, and I'm just blending that out with the Morphe. I want to say it's the 535. I'm not sure, but I'll put it in the description below. So I'm just blending that around the perimeter of my face, and then I went ahead with my beauty blender and blended out my concealer. And now I'm just going back in with the brush that I blended out my bronzer with, and just making sure it's all really seamless. I'm going back and forth, making sure that it's blending really well. And then I'm going to go in with the foundation brush that I use just to clean up the bottom half of my face. And that's the brush I have now, and I'm just making sure that that bronzer is looking good. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set under my eyes, and I used the Fenty Beauty setting powder and cashew for this, and I've just been really loving that setting powder. It's just a banger. And for my bronzer, I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer in Toasted, and then I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Fenty Beauty powder in Nutmeg. And that's just to get some color back into my face. And I'm also going to use that powder to sweep the cashew powder from under my eye. I love Fenty powders. They make my skin look super nice, like not cakey, not dry and cracking. It just looks really good, and I think this combination looked really good together. Alright, so I went off camera and did my eye makeup, and this makeup look is going to be really easy, and I'm using my bronzer, which is the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami bronzer, as my transition color. And I'm just sweeping that all into my crease with a fluffy brush. This is fairly simple. I usually use a transition, and I usually use my bronzer to do it. So I'm just sweeping that all in, and then I will get into the next color. I did slow the clip down a little bit so that you can see how far I'm going in with this color, and I'm bringing it all the way in, as you can see. And then I'm just going to take it all the way out. I do like to put a lot of my color on the outer part of my eye, so that's where I focus the most color, and then I sweep whatever I have left on my brush towards the inside. And then I'm going to go in with that pink shade right there, and I'm just going to use that to deepen up my crease a little bit. I want this to be a really cranberry look, so I went in with that color, and I'm just going back and forth with the blending brush and that pink color to make it look really nice and seamless. This look was really easy. It's a monochromatic look, and I think it just looks really good. So again, I'm going back with that pink color, and I'm just blending it in, and I'm trying to focus it more on the outer. So I'm not really doing a cut crease, but I really wanted the shimmer eyeshadow to pop, so I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye base, which I use all the time. And then I'm going to go in with this Stila glitter. This is one of my favorite glitters. I love the color, and it is in the shade Pigalle. Yeah, I think that's the color. So I packed that on, and then I just took a blending brush to just make sure it looks really good to get the edges, because it was kind of hard to do it with the brush that the applicator for the liquid eyeshadow. So I'm just making sure it looks good, and then I'm going to go over top of that liquid eyeshadow with this pink or cranberry glitter color, and I'm just going to pack that on over top of the liquid Stila eyeshadow. And I used the same brush, I just flipped it over to the other side, and I'm just packing that color all over my lid, right where I put that eyeshadow base in the Stila color. I wasn't really trying to do a cut crease. Like I said, I just wanted the eyeshadow to pop a little bit more, but it seemed like it kind of turned into that. So then I went ahead and did my bottom lash line, and I used a little bit of my bronzer, and then I went in with the glitter color from the palette to do under my lash line, and I used a little bit of the matte pink shade also from the palette on the outer corner. And that was it. And I'm just gonna line my eyes with this Kat Von D liner, tattoo liner in Trooper Black, I believe. This is just a little mini travel size, and it works really good. It's really sharp, and I'm not doing like a super wing or anything. I'm just lining my top lash line for when I put on my lashes that you can't really see the band. I'm also going to go over it after I put my lashes on too, so keep that in mind. And that's it for that part. So now I have my lashes on and my eyes are done. I'm just going to go in with this Nude blush, and it's from Bare Minerals in the color But First Coffee, and I think it looks really good. I think my makeup looks really good right here, and I just think that the blush looks even better. So I'm putting that on my cheeks, and I'm really feeling this base makeup. I'm really feeling the eyeshadow. I think this makeup turned out really nice. It looks really seamless and really pretty, so I'm really feeling that. So after I did the blush, I went in with this highlighter from Becca. This is Becca Cosmetics Opal highlighter. Still a highlighter that I really love. I don't usually use much highlighter. It's not really my thing, but I thought it would look really good with this look. So I just went in with a little tiny bit. I did have a little bit of texture on my face, so I didn't want to go too crazy and have my skin looking crazy. So I just went in with that. Just put a little bit on my cheekbones and down the bridge of my nose. Just a little bit for a subtle glow, nothing too crazy. And then for my lips, I went in and lined my lips with this Makeup Forever lip liner. It up a little bit too high, so I wiped a little bit off, and then I went in with the MAC lip liner in Chestnut, which I use a lot. And I'm just outlining my lips with that. And then I started doing this thing where I put the one line down the middle of my lip. I don't know why I started that, but I think it looks good, so it's whatever. I'm just gonna keep doing it because I don't know, it blends in really good. And for my lipstick, I'm gonna be using the NYX Lingerie Push-Up Long Lasting Lipstick in Bedtime Flirt. It's like a peachy nude type of color. I think it turned out super pretty. I kind of like this lip more nude. I kind of wish I would have kept the lip matte. Like watching the video back, I think that the matte lip looked really good. But I did add a little bit of gloss over top, and I went in with the Barbie gloss, the Pure times Barbie girl gloss over top of my lips. And I really like this gloss just because of how big the applicator was. But I can tell you right now that the lip gloss itself kind of smells weird. I don't know what it is, but it smells like, I don't know, it's just not a pleasant smell. I wish it smelled like really good, but it looks pretty, so I guess that's something.
I hope
you guys enjoyed the look, and if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all next video.